Hey, what's up guys? Today guys, I'm gonna clean the Mustang. Damn, it's bad too. And the tire guys, it's flat again. Like I don't know what the hell's going on. My homie like fixed it right there, but I don't know, I need to take it and see what's going on with that. But that's a whole nother video. But right now guys, what I'm gonna do is clean it because fuck, it's getting bad. Oh, check that out. I'm gonna sell it. Shh. Oh shit, that's my old number too. I was just gonna cover it, but I was like, nah, that's my old number. You can call it and I don't know who will answer, but yeah. Anyways. What the hell? Oh, this is the key ignition thing, guys. I was taking it off so I could like fix that. I think I'm gonna mess with that too. What the hell? Oh shit. Big old spider. There was a spider. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, guys. Clean it. I'm probably gonna get that tire, take it off, and get that fixed tomorrow. But see, all the other tires are good on it. Damn, that's fucking just took a dump of shit everywhere. That needs to get fixed. I'm saving money for that. But all the other tires are good except that other tire. That's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm just gonna vacuum it. I'm probably gonna take out the seat and vacuum that too, so it can be really clean. And that's it. Ride Eternal, shiny and chrome. Remember that. I don't even think. What the hell? Yeah, I think that fly is dead. No, he's just chilling there. You better get the hell out of here, bro. He's like, you're in my house, bro. I think this was one time, guys. This was a red car, I think. And they really painted it really, really bad. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Just vacuum it, clean it up. Alright guys, I already cleaned it up. I'm fucking sweating bullets right now. Super bad. Right now what I'm gonna do is take out the seats. That's what I'm doing. What's she waving at? Where the fuck is she waving at? I guess she's waving at the camera. Anyways, I'm gonna take out the seats. Yeah, I'm gonna take them out and clean them. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna use an extender with a joint and a 5/8. This one for the Mustang is gonna be a 5/8. So yeah, I want to take out the seat, guys, so I can clean it real nice underneath too, and see what the hell's under there. It could be a freaking gun. I did get it in Brownsville, which is like maybe like an hour away from where I live. And I don't know. What I'm thinking is they could have used it for freaking drugs, because all the panels, they come off like fucking loose. Everything's loose. So they could have used it for that. I don't even know. I think the other one is somewhere. Does this even have a thing to move forward? Wow, these are freaking power seats. And it doesn't even go forward. Oh, that really sucks. Where are the other boats at? Oh, they're right here, and I can't even get to that. Because the seat doesn't go forward because it's a power seat. How the freak did he get this in here? Not unless if I hook up the battery and the seat moves. There's a wire. Oh, I think they are connected. I think this is connected. I'm gonna plug in the battery, guys, see what happens. I just hooked up. I'm gonna hook up the battery. I don't know what to think. Sometimes it throws sparks, which is a good thing. Sometimes it throws sparks, which is a good thing, which means that everything's good, you know. Shit. I bought this battery, guys, like probably like the 10th of that year. So it's kind of old. I know it loses its charge when it sits there. But it's got a warranty, so I just go get a new one if it messes up. Ooh, shit. Everything's turning on. It's crazy how these cars have more electronics and switches and relays in the truck. It's just weird. Oh, guys, I hope this thing goes forward. I hope it goes forward, because I've never tried this button. I don't even think it's gonna work. Nope. Oh, what the hell? Maybe if I sit on it and go forward, because that's bullshit. How the freak did he put the seat in there? It doesn't want to work. I'm gonna do it like the dude in blue with the steering wheel. Doesn't want to work. Damn, bro. Don't make me gut you out, dead horse. I will gut. Oh shit. Oh shit. I think I broke it. Maybe he only has one boat in there. Or maybe he went from underneath. What the hell is that ground? Hey, I knew it. Found a freaking quarter. Put in my quarter holder. Oh, and I found another one. Oh, hell yeah. I can get me a gallon of water. Or I think half a gallon. You try to ground it there, or what the hell? No, this shit was never connected. So what the hell did he do? It is in there. I don't know, but I need to figure this out. Maybe I can get in there, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna try. Nah, that's not gonna get in there. The bracket's in the way of this stupid thing. How did this dude get this freaking chair in there? And why are the wires ripped out? How the hell did you do it? license plate. The old sticker to the car. Jeez Louise. What the hell is this? I don't know how to put the vinyl on. Does this even seat go? No, because it's... Oh, I think the seat might go back. That's a good thing. I think. I found some kind of lever, guys. No, it's not gonna work either. Nah, these seats are gone, guys. I was messing around with the wires, and it started to move when I touched these two wires with the battery. So I guess the seat is working. I put one screw in so it could be sturdy so I can move it forward. But if I move it forward, then I can't take out that one. But I'll just push it back and then take out the front one. So I don't know, I'm gonna see. And I gotta hold like the battery because it's not long enough. So, and then I gotta move the switch over there. And I'm scared to get freaking shocked in this shit. Damn. This motherfucker. It doesn't want to go any forward. It just goes front and back, like it's stuck. Oh, that sucks now. The actuator is stuck, guys. Or maybe it's the other way. No, because it's giving power either way. So that doesn't matter. Does it? Yeah, because black is always negative. Same shit. Doesn't want to do nothing. You can hear it, guys. It doesn't want to go forward. Oh, that sucks. It's probably the freaking hydraulic pump freaking out already. It's just out. Damn it. Now, put that to the side. Damn, dude. I thought I almost had it, guys. This, I think I got these right here. No, I don't got this screw. I don't even think I'm gonna able to take out the seats, guys, because it's really hard. And I don't know how to get it at that bolt. I tried. Maybe I was like, maybe they hand tying it, but I can't even. There's no room for me to get in there. Even if the front bolt comes off, there's like, I can get like these two fingers. I can't even go like this. Hell no. My hands are massively humongous. I have like huge hands too, like. So that's probably not gonna work. I'm just gonna probably put it back on and that's it, guys. Hey guys, the chair does move. It just moves super slow, but it doesn't move that much. And I'm still not able to take out the seat, but I'm gonna see. then I gotta put you guys right there where you guys can see, but that's front. Wait, that's going back. And that's it. That's all it goes back. And you got front. It could, you know what it could also be, guys? That it needs WD-40 underneath. I think I'm gonna put some too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray that lube stuff on the rails of this chair. Maybe it'll go much better. Probably what it needs. And just let that sit there, guys. So I think I'm gonna let that sit for like a couple minutes, 5-10 minutes, and then do it again, guys. And if that doesn't work, then the seat's just, the actuator is no good, and it's just not gonna work. I'll probably just tighten the seat down. I'll probably go to the junkyard next year, probably, because this is, I just honestly don't have money to be putting in this car right now. The truck's almost done, just needs the axle, and after that, everything else is good. But after that's done, maybe I'll go to the junkyard and buy some seats. It'll probably be like 20 bucks each. The ones with the lever in the front. It'll actually be like V6 Mustang seats, because supposedly this is a GT. It's a premium package. It comes with electric seats and mirrors and all that crap. But yeah, I'm just gonna probably find 2 seats. Probably find them even cheaper, who knows? Just gotta look around. That's one thing. If you look around, you will find them. But I'm probably gonna let that sit. If it doesn't move, guys, I'm just gonna put the seats back and try to start it. I'm actually gonna change the key ignition. I didn't buy it, but I'm gonna put the old one on, see if it'll turn on. And if it turns on, I'm probably gonna park it at my mom's, because I want to have this space empty. I might want to park my truck on this side. Maybe. I don't know. I'm going to see if it'll move now. Who knows? It's going to be so awesome if it started moving. Freaking awesome. Doubt it. It moved much forward, much better. It's going back now, much better. I think that's all it goes back. So I can get the screws in there. Oh, dude, if it could go just a little bit more. It can go way more, but I don't know why. Maybe this battery's no good. That's probably what it is too, guys. The battery probably sucks. It's been sitting there for 5 months. I wouldn't be surprised. Piece of junk. It doesn't even want to go back or forward anymore now. I don't even know. Now it's super stuck in forward. Well, that didn't work. I'm gonna think about it some more, guys. A couple, like 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna make my decision of taking it out or keep going. Guys, I can't get it. I already like debated what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put the bolts in, and I'm just gonna push it back. But now it doesn't want to go back because it's too front forward. So I don't even know what I'm gonna do. It doesn't want to go forward now. I'm thinking it's jammed. I put some more some of this lube, Zip 45 inch, what the fuck, increment, what the hell does that mean? Penetrating lubricant with PTFE. Yeah, that stuff. And I don't know, it doesn't want to seem to work. And I'm thinking the actuator, the hydraulic is just messed up. It's just probably no good no more. So I'm gonna try one more time to push it back, because I pushed it all the way forward and it doesn't want to go any more forward. But maybe it'll go more forward, I don't know. Just put the seat in. I'm not even gonna be there like messing around. I'm 6'2", so like my knees don't hit. So if my friends come in here, if they come in here, they fit. It's real like small. I'm a like big dude. I'm like 270, 6'2", and I barely fit. But yeah, I think right now I'm gonna try to change this, guys. This is the new one. Like I've been saying a bunch of times, the one that I bought was like 23, maybe 30 bucks. The one that I need has a sensor, and that's why it doesn't want to turn on. And how weird that it says theft when this one's in there and I'm trying to crank it. That's probably why it's not turning on. Or I'm gonna try to do some research and maybe rip that out, that sensor. Maybe I can make it work with this. That sounds for like a Jimmy Oaks job right there. That guy knows his wiring for JDM cars, not Mustangs. But shout out Jimmy Oaks. Jimmy Oaks. Look at all this sud. Yeah, I have a freaking valve. It's probably, where's the head at? There's the valve cover. The head's right there, down there. It's probably a head gasket leak. But that's what I'm gonna do right now, guys. I'm gonna just put this. I already put the seat back. I'm gonna put the battery and try to put the old ignition switch and crank it and see what happens. Alright, guys. I got the old one here. Freaking lock smart, my butt. If you guys got a V6, this might work for your V6. There's the part number, but this is the old one. Alright, guys, I think what you're supposed to do, because I got the manual for this, but I haven't read it in a while. But there's a button that you press. It's right here. Oh, look at the sensor for the alarm. Maybe. Maybe if I take off that sensor, guys, it might turn on. But I'm gonna have to trick it, and that's what I have to do research on. Anyways, you're supposed to put the key in. Make sure your battery's disconnected. You put the key in, then you press that button. And it's supposed to come out. you do that, this is the button that you're pressing, guys, underneath. Alright, moment of truth. I'm gonna hook up the battery and see if it turns on. Let's go do that. And it's probably gonna do the same thing it did the last time. I didn't want to turn off when that's why I had changed the whole damn thing, because I didn't want to turn off. But damn, look how the relays turn on over there. The seatbelt, the door button turns on. It has water and everything. Oh, it'd be so awesome if it turned on. Wow, look at how much gas it has. Let's see. Nah. It probably has water. See, look how it says theft too also, guys. Where's that stupid rag? Clean this stupid dash. At least, shit. But, damn, not even with the old key it turns on. What the hell? Airbag. It cranks. And it has that much gas in it. I want to put that octane booster in there. See what happens. Oh, the dust. Where's that crap? The stupid fuel treatment, high mileage junk. It's probably gonna mess up my gas tank. It's been sitting there for a while, but I think it's still good. Ultimate. But it doesn't hurt to try. Anyways, if it messes up, I'll take out this stupid gas tank. It's super easy anyways. Or, like I've been saying in that other video, it's probably water in the heads. The head gasket, one of the spark plugs, I think, these four here, this bank right here, I think like the first one had like a bunch of water in it when I took off the spark plug, so it's probably why. Maybe I can turn it on now. Maybe if I close my door, that won't help for nothing. But it'd be so awesome if it turned on. I think I think the fuel pump went out. Because I used to hear it. And I don't hear it no more. I used to be able to hear that sucker. Because I got a new gas tank, because the other one had a leak in it, like I was saying in the first video, if you ever seen it. Damn, I don't know. Because I used to be able to hear when I was trying to pee. And it does have it has half a tank. It has more than half a tank. Check it how the theft light's not on anymore. Just the airbag. Notice how the theft light's not on anymore. So it's true then. This is not for this car, because it's for I don't know what the hell they sold me, because I told them a V8 and they gave me this. Because when this one's in there, it starts saying theft and all that retarded shit. This doesn't even say anything. Damn, and it sounds, man, this motor sounds powerful. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Cause that shit's not working. Let me take off the battery before I do that. Yeah, battery's unhooked. Yeah, it is this stupid thing. And then where's that? I think the fuel pump's out, cause you could hear it. I remember I could hear it at one point. Check that out, guys. Look how it says theft now. Because if it doesn't turn on with this one, then it has to be something else. Because it would turn on. It's just that it won't. It's already used so much that it won't turn off the car. And I remember I had to push it when it was on. I had to go forward, and it made an ugly noise, and it killed itself. And I put the one without the sensor, and it's saying theft, 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 theft. Wow. It sounds even stronger, or is it just me? Like louder. Maybe it's just the battery rested. I think my fuel pump went out, guys. I'm gonna have to order probably one of those probably next month. Who knows? Whenever I get done with this axle, then I can start putting money into this. But that's crazy. It says theft, so that's. And I'm gonna also hope, guys, that this doesn't work no more, and that it's not the fuel pump. And if I go buy one, like $55, I think, the one with the chip for this Mustang. If I get it and it still turns on, because I still need it, and it turns on, then it was this. And I hope it's this. I hope it's not the fuel pump, because I don't really want to do that, even though it's not that hard. I've done it to the truck. It's not hard. I don't gotta cut no muffler or nothing like that. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to save money to get that one and put it in there, because look how that one says theft, 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 theft. And this one, when I put this one in, the original one, I don't even know if it's original, but when I put this one in, it doesn't say theft. And I hope it's this. I hope it's not the fuel pump or anything. Damn it, so that didn't even work. So I'm gonna unhook the battery again. Also, too, I need to wait for my stepdad. I think he's gonna be gone for a couple weeks. I think when he comes back, I'm gonna see if I can get that OBD2 sensor port, plug it in, and maybe that'll tell me what's wrong with it. That could really tell me what's wrong with the motor, if it has water in the heads, or who knows. But I'm gonna do that for sure. I'm probably gonna put the old one in, because I can't return this, guys. So I'm gonna put the old one in, and keep this one in the box. I can't return it. Guys, I'm gonna try it one more time. Look, now it says theft. What the hell? Oh yeah. Now it just stopped when I put the key in. Nope, still saying it again. Man, if it turned on, I'd be so stoked. Does it still say theft? Yes, it still does. Does it still say theft? Yes, it still does. The old one is in. It still says theft. I don't know what the hell is going on with it. Maybe it's the small one. Pushing the gas with the... This doesn't matter. It's fuel injected. That's never gonna matter. Something like 5% maybe, but very rare it does. But I still do it anyways. It's not gonna turn. What the hell? Is it supposed to say theft or not? Now it doesn't say theft anymore. Like if the computer like recognized the key thing, the ignition key. Damn, bro. I'm stumped, guys. Well, I'm not stumped. I know what the hell is wrong with it, but I remember I used to hear my... You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to hear it right now. Is the key turn right now? Yeah, the key's forward. The key's forward. I'm gonna try to hear the pump. Can't even hear crap. Shit, this car doesn't even leak anything. Hey guys, I've been messing with it and I don't want to turn on. Like, what I'm gonna do is ask my uncle for that OBD2 sensor. He has one too, or my stepdad. Maybe it's just that it has water in the heads, or maybe it's a fuel pump. Cause I remember I could hear the fuel pump and now I can't hear it. Maybe it's that. Once I get that OBD2 sensor in, it'll tell me if it's the fuel pump. It'll tell me what's wrong with it. So I'm gonna wait on that. Maybe this weekend I can get it. Maybe my stepdad will tell me where it's at and I can get it and use it myself. But until then, guys, that's today's video, and really nothing exciting, guys. I tried. I don't know. I thought the old one was gonna work and it was gonna turn on and stuff. But it didn't. Anyways, if it did turn on, I couldn't even drive it as I don't have a compressor. So I don't know. It's probably what I'm gonna do this weekend, guys. Get that OBD2 sensor device and plug it in and see. But thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. I got like 2 subscribers. They've been going up and down. It's YouTube's been like, if you don't upload regularly or almost every day, they'll make your subscribers go down. Since I only have like 118, I think right now, or it'll go down to 117 or 116. If I don't upload regularly, they'll take away like 1 or 2. And people that have like thousands, they'll take away a couple thousands or a couple hundred. It's a way of like them punishing you when you don't upload. I guess that's what it is, but I'm gonna be uploading regularly, guys. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, I'd really appreciate it. And share my video, guys. And thanks for watching. Peace. Hey guys, I'm gonna see what kind of CD I had in here, because I think I want it out. What do I got in this thing? Does it even turn on? Oh, it does. Setup. Yes. I forgot how to use this stupid thing. Format, read. Oh, I had Jimi Hendrix. Woo-hoo. Damn, dude, I was jamming hard, bros. I put this music on, bros, and I just hit the streets going 140 top out this damn Mustang. Damn, bro. What else I got? Hell yeah. Damn, I miss driving this car.
There must be some kind of way out of
Damn, I miss my car, man. Damn, bro.
Joker to the thief.